Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back again with me. It's Muhammad Isamlana. Student ID number 123490027. And now I will presentation my pneumatic practicum. It's module 6 and the title is use of proximity sensor in pneumatic system. Okay, practicum objective 1. Understanding the working principle of inductive and capacitive proximity sensors in pneumatic systems. 2. Applying proximity sensors to control actuators, valve or piston via PLC. Training students to read, analyze, and design ladder diagrams according to system requirements. Next, frequently asked question. What is the fundamental difference between inductive and capacitive proximity sensor? Before we answer the question of this, we must know what is proximity sensor is and what the work from the proximity sensor. How's work? I mean, proximity sensor. A proximity sensor is a sensor that can detect the presence of an object without physical contact. The sensors are widely used in industrial automation to detect position, count the number of products, and or as non-contact limit switch. Okay, this is the type of the sensors. First one is inductive sensor and the second one is capacitive sensor. Okay, commonly used types of proximity. 1. Inductive proximity, used to detect metal object. Working principles: generate the electromagnetic field. If metal enters the field, the inductance change the sensor emits a signal. Example of use: detecting the position of metal piston in a pneumatic cylinder. 2. Capacitive proximity, used to detect metal and non-metal objects like wood, plastic, liquids, etc. Working principle: the sensor forms a capacitive field. If an object with a different dielectric constant enters, the capacitance change and the sensor emits a signal. Example of use: detecting material labels, e.g., powder or liquid container. The difference from the inductive proximity and the capacitive proximity is the inductive is just used to detect the metal object, but the capacitive is used not just a metal object, but it can to detect non-metal object like wood, plastic, liquid, dan etc. Okay, next is a ladder PLC. Sorry, it is a ladder PLC. The diagram, the program for if you want to run the PLC, you must to make the program first. Like this is a ladder PLC, and I will make the ladder PLC from the application. What is the application? The application I use is the CX programmer or CXP. Okay, first is name the file. I will name the file is PLC Sun 6, and the device type is CP1L. The network type I use the USB. Okay, first one, I will make the PB on. Okay, next one is PB off. Okay, now don't forget to make the coil. Okay, the coil set is W0.00 and the command is system. Okay, and we must add the contact. Sorry, I mean contact OR W0.00 for system. Okay, next I will make the program diagram. I mean for sensor proximity. Okay, first 0.01. Okay, sorry, the system first. Okay, sorry, the system first. Make the system first. Okay, and the next is sensor proximity. Okay, next I'll build a coil. W0.01. Okay, it's I think it's out. Okay, out proximity. Okay, the next one I will make the diagram of the timer of the sensor. First make it 0.03. Okay, SW timer. Okay, don't forget to make a system. Okay, and the next one is out proximity and timer. T0000. Okay, timer. Okay, next put the coil W0.02. The command is timer. Okay, don't forget. Okay, now set the timer 0 W0 point I mean 02, I think. Yes sir. Okay, timer. Okay, and next I will make the instruction of the PLC. Set the description is time space 0000 and hashtag 50. Okay, and timer. Okay, and it's like this. And now I will make the counter of the sensor. Okay, make 0.04 SV SW C and T. Okay, and now make the system too, and then out of proximity next, so I think I will make the browse sorry, maybe build instruction first. CNT 000 and hashtag 1 CNT. Okay, and then I'll make the CNT C0000. Okay, CNT. Okay, and I will make the timer. Timer is T0001. Timer CNT. Okay, and then I will make the other one. Okay, it's CNT 2. Okay, and I made the instruction. It's team 0001, but the stack is set to 50. Timer CNT. Okay, and now don't forget to make the coil for the CNT W0.03. Oh sorry, I forget to make the comment. CNT, just CNT. Okay, next I will make the out valve. Okay, system. Next is a timer. And then I will make the CNT. Okay, and I will make the out of the valve and make it to coil. Press it 100.07. Wait, the comment is off valve. Sorry. Okay, next make it to CNT. Okay, and then make the timer too. And now connect it. Okay, and then I will describe how the program works. First, you must click the work on the simulator and press it. Okay, okay, nice. Okay, now the PLC program is start. and it is a PB on, and if you click it, it's a value. Okay, the value is 0 and 1. 0 is false and 1 is true. Okay, when you set it to 1, okay, the system is on, and you see it. Okay, the system, well, the PB on and goes to coil system, and goes to system, and you see at the system in diagram 2, at out of proximity, it's on, but if you set it to off, the program is off too. Okay, like this. Okay, and it's all off. Okay, set it on first. Okay, now is out of proximity. When you on the button of the sensor proximity, the proximity sensor will on and detect the object, and it is out of proximity. Okay, the next the work from the timer of proximities. If you on it, the timer, okay, now you will see the instruction of the timer. When the SQ timer on and goes to coil and goes to uh, instruction. Okay, is it again? Sorry, like this. The timer will goes down and goes to 0 from 50. The timer is like 5 seconds. Okay, and when the after the 5 second, we on the sensor from timer, sorry, I mean maybe timer is uh, 500 millisecond. I don't know, I forget, sorry. Is when the time goes to 0, uh, the proximity will go off. Okay, next is a counter. Okay, when the counter is on, you see the timer will goes to 0. Okay, set it again, set 0. Yes, set again. Okay, and the counter goes to coil, and when the coil goes to instruction of the PLC, timer will goes down to a 0, and when goes to 0, the signal will send the timer and go off the program. Okay, and this is valve. Okay, valve, and what's it is for work when the proximity is on, the valve of the pneumatic is on too, but on like work in 5 seconds. Okay, but after the 5 second, the valve will turn off like proximity sensor if the timer will goes to 0. Same like counter. If counter goes to 0, I mean, will if the counter is turned on, the valve will turn on too in 5 seconds. but if the timer goes to 0, the valve will go off and same as the counter. Okay, thank you for see my video. Okay, uh, goodbye, see you again, bye.